Hello students, hope you are well. Stay at home and follow the guidelines suggested by the government. Stay safe, be healthy and happy. Today we will start chapter number 3, that is synthetic fiber and plastic. Right, fiber you have started learning from class 6. What is fiber? What is fiber? For that you need to learn only 4 words, that is this. This means thin hair like structure is called fiber. Thin hair like structure is called fiber, right? On the basis of their source, there are two types. The source from where they have been obtained, there are two types. The first one is synthetic fiber, and the next one is natural fiber. Natural fiber. Natural fiber again categorized into two ways. One is plant fiber, another is animal fiber. Plant fiber you have learned in class 6, for example cotton and jute, class 6. And in class 7th you have learned about animal fiber, example wool and silk. Right, so 6 plant fiber, 7th in class 7th animal fiber you have learned. Now you are in class 8th and you need to learn synthetic fiber. Right, synthetic fiber also called man-made fiber, man-made or artificial fiber. Right, here you will learn about 4 fibers: the rayon, nylon, acrylic and polyester. The first one is rayon. Now, rayon discovered in China. Where it is discovered? China. In China. And when it discovered, the China kept it secret. Kept secret. After many years, at the end of 19th century, at the end of 19th century, scientists are able to process or able to make a fiber like silk, right? That is artificial silk, and that is none other than rayon. So rayon is also called artificial silk. Why artificial silk? Because it is man-made and its property is look like silk. Why there is need to make? Because the silk is very costly that time and very in demand. So it has been processed. Its property is similar to the silk, right? Now how it is prepared? The next point about the preparation. How it is prepared? It is prepared by the processing of wood pulp. Wood pulp. Pulp means paste. Clear? So it is the preparation. Now what are the properties? It is cheaper than silk and available in many colors. It can be made in many colors. When it is combined with the cotton, right? It is used to make the bed sheet. Bed sheet are mixed with cotton plus rayon. Similarly, carpets also rayon plus wool. So this is all about rayon. Moving to the next one, that is nylon. Nylon is also called first fully synthetic fiber. It is made in 1931, remember. And how it is prepared? The preparation of nylon is with coal, water and air. These are the three components by which we can prepare nylon. What is its properties? It is strong, elastic, easy to wash. So these are the properties. Because of these property, what are its use? It used to make the cloth, socks, ropes for mountain climbing, tent, parachute. These are common uses. Car belt, car seat belt, etc. One interesting thing is it is stronger than the steel wire of equal thickness. उतनी थिकनेस का अगर स्टील वायर है तो उससे स्ट्रॉन्ग क्या होगा? स्टील वायर से स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा नायलॉन, इक्वल थिकनेस. Is it clear, students? Now moving ahead to another type of synthetic fiber, that is acrylic. Acrylic is also known as artificial wool. Okay, it is less expensive than wool, less expensive than wool. Okay, and it is easily available. Available in colors. So this is all about acrylic. Okay, remember this point. And the next and the last one is polyester. Polyester, right? What are the properties of polyester? The property of polyester is it is wrinkle free. What kind of clothes we need? We need wrinkle free, easy to wash, easily available, right? Example, Terraline. Example क्या है? What is example of polyester is Terraline. Terraline. Right? When it is mixed with cotton plus polyester, what it is formed? Polycot. Cotton plus Terraline, what it formed? Terrycot. Right? So these are common example of polyester. Two things comes. One is polymer. What are polymer? Polymers are the complex substance or complex compound which made by monomer. What is monomer? Monomer means single unit. For example, you see starch. Starch is a polymer of what? Glucose. When many unit of glucose combine, they form starch. Similarly, you see protein. Protein is a polymer of amino acid. So hope it is clear. For today, that's it. You please go through the content which you have been taught and revise. If any doubt, you can call me.